Art with Miss Ellis.
Welcome to Art with Miss Ellis. I'm Miss Ellis and this is Palmer. And welcome to episode 2 of our science series. Today we will be learning about the Tyrannosaurus Rex, as well as showing a step-by-step video on how to draw the T-Rex. So what do you know about the king of the Cretaceous period? Did you know the name Tyrannosaurus Rex means tyrant lizard, which means a cruel ruler who is also a lizard? Also, did you know the teeth of a T-Rex was 12 inches long? That's the size of a ruler. Could you imagine this for teeth? What else can we learn about the T-Rex? The T-Rex lived over 66 million years ago during the Cretaceous period in what is now North America. They were carnivores, which meant they only ate meat. The T-Rex was believed to be 42 feet long, 13 feet high, and weigh up to 7 tons. That's huge! Now let's start our T-Rex drawing. For this project, you will need a regular sheet of paper, a pencil to draw with so that we can erase, and something to color with, whether it be crayons, markers, or colored pencils. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so make sure you are using a pencil for this because we are going to be erasing frequently. Also keep in mind that you can pause the video at any time if I am moving too fast for you. Alright, let's get started by drawing 2 ovals. One right here that's smaller, and then a bigger one right here. Now notice that I am leaving some space under this big oval. That's because we are going to put the legs down here, so make sure you have the ovals toward the top like I've done. Now we're going to draw a curved line pointing up, just like this. It kind of looks like a hook. This is going to be the start of his tail. Now we're going to start right here and curve that line around, connecting it to right here. Alright, now for his neck, we are going to start right here and bring a curved line through the end of that oval, touching the bigger oval, just like this. Alright, let's add another curved line on the other side to complete his neck. Awesome, now let's add some shape to this oval. Let's put a little bump on the top of his head, just like this. Not too big, but just like this. Alright, now we're going to add some shape to his snout. I want you to start right here and pull his snout out a little bit farther. Bring a curved line to this point right here and then connect it to the neck. Just like this. Now pause the video and look what I've done and see if you can copy it. And now you see we've made the mouth. We're going to go ahead and add the bottom part of his mouth right here, like this. Alright, let's start on one of his legs. Now we're going to start right here in this big oval. You're going to make a curved line and then bring it down to the bottom. Now I'm going to do the front and back side of his leg, so I want you to watch me carefully and then you do it. Pause if you need to. Now for the bottom of his first foot. Now we're going to draw a line on top, and then we're going to make a little curved line where his claw's going to go, and then we're going to add a second toe. Go ahead and add those claws in there. Alright, now let's do the exact same thing to the other side. This will be his second foot. Great job. Now for his arms, we're going to start right here and add 2 little lines. This will be his bicep muscles. Notice how they're not straight lines, but they're 2 curved lines. Alright, let's draw an elbow and the rest of his arm, and then add in 2 pointy claws, just like this. Very good, guys. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So watch me, and then you do it. So now you're going to take your eraser on your pencil and erase the line on his leg and on his arm. So go ahead and do that now. Great, now we're going to take that same eraser and erase the line on his neck right here. Now we are going to fully erase this oval, but leave in his head shape. So any of his head that you erase, make sure you draw back. Alright, he's starting to look like a T-Rex now. Let's put a curved line at the top. This is kind of like his eyebrow. And then we're going to start adding the shape of his eye in. Add that pupil in there and go ahead and color it black. Alright, I'm going to add a little indentation on the top of his nose right here to kind of shape out that head a little bit better. So go ahead and draw that indentation and then erase that top line. Let's draw a curved line right here so we can see where his belly will be. Now let's move back up to his face. Let's draw a nostril, and then let's add some teeth. Alright, so before we go any farther, let's add a third toe to his feet. Forgot to do that earlier, so let's start on this one. Let's add a curved line on top, and then add that claw in, and then do the same thing to the other side. Perfect. Now for the fun part. You get to decorate him however you want. Scientists aren't completely sure what color they were, so you can make him whatever color you want. You could add polka dots if you want. I added some red stripes, and I did the rest of him in gray. You can do whatever you want. I look forward to seeing these. When you get done coloring him, add a background, add volcanoes, trees, a body of water, other dinosaurs, whatever you want. I just hope you have fun with this. And there's your T-Rex. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the subscribe button. I release a new video every Monday. Thanks again. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.